so much static.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Like-
no.
All the static. Holy fuck.
Any better or no?
What's better now? Well,
Okay.
it's a little better now.
Ugh.
What's good, team? Alright, we have all 6 mics.
Good team comp.
Yay.
We have a lot of short range healing, so we'll need to probably fall back quick.
It's fine. One of us is gonna get headshotted. Probably me by a widow at the start. Watch.
Oh boy, love the optimism.
Hey, I'm just saying that's what always happens. Either I get a headshot on the widow, or the widow gets a headshot on me.
Here, let me
Always.
stand. Let me stand right in front of you as rectangle man, and then maybe you can.
As a
you know, when they get
rectangle man.
Yeah, man. I start off every game as rectangle man, then I become hammer man.
All right, but if they start like bodying your shield, let's drop back a little bit.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. So pretty much if they get to the statue, we rotate out.
Yep.
Hey, Ducky, are you in the team? Okay, I guess not. That's fine.
See a Junkrat?
Yeah.
Oh wait. I'm here, I'm here, I'm here.
Ow.
Alright. Once they get past the statue, we're gonna have to fall. They're not coming to contest this
I
high
headshot at
ground.
the Junk. Thank you for finishing him. Much appreciated.
Nice, nice.
Hey, this
My
McCree
shield's
is on
at
left side.
Alright, I'm
Two
gonna
pick,
rotate out.
good, good, good.
Hey, guys,
Push
look, guys,
them, push
McCree
them.
coming around behind you. McCree's coming around behind you.
Let's fall on point, fall on point.
Guys, kind of
Yeah, here goes the McCree.
Reinhardt's half.
Run.
Come on, he's getting healed.
He's low,
Ryan
nice. Who else?
Brigida and
McCree?
Diva.
Okay.
Diva.
He was popped. Got bubble tea. There you go.
Hey, I got Moira 1 in the back line. Never mind, a headshot.
They're both dead.
Ignore me.
Nice, nice, nice. No, no, you doing good. Junkrat's up top high ground.
Oh, that's
Can you
two?
get him?
I got 2. I got picks. I got, okay, this, Junk's 1-ish. I think he might be,
I'm going
yeah, he's
for the
1, there you go.
junk.
Nice.
Jump.
Nice, we
I
got him,
have
we got him.
120 HP. I need healing.
I got you, I got you.
They
Bye,
have a
don't got
tracer.
you.
I have ult, by the way. By the way, I'm just gonna
The
ult
Ryan's
Zarya
peeking.
because I
Can
can
we
get about
poke him
3
out?
ults
Yeah,
before you get one.
that's fine.
I'm just gonna, yeah, I'm just gonna.
Alright.
Brigitte's
Someone
going
came up to
left.
high ground.
Gates
Looping
on
all the way
platform.
around. Alright, let's fall back on point, guys. They're pushing to past the statue. Where's the tracer?
They have a tracer. She's on the right side.
She was right on point.
Watch out, tire,
I'm left.
scatter.
Ooh, she got me.
Help! I'm 1v1
Wait,
versus
shoot,
2
shoot.
supports. I can't.
Reinhardt.
Rhinos down?
Diva.
Guys, right side, both supports. Both supports on the
Oh,
right
I
side.
see what you're saying.
My will is unbroken.
Tracer is in the back.
Alright, timing wise,
Back left,
I think you
on
and
top
I
platform.
should both have, like, Zara, I think you and I should both have order on the same time right now.
Yeah,
Alright.
as long as I get
Moira?
into the team fight here.
Diva left. She's half. Go after her,
I
go
see
after her.
Thank you.
He's out.
Hey,
Baby
Tracer's
Diva.
1. I don't know if she
kill
used
her.
recall yet or not. Yeah, she used recall. Okay, Tracer no recall, and she's 1 HP. She got to a health pack on the left hand side.
Alright, let's
Baguette
fall
heal.
back to point. We haven't gotten a chance.
Baguette, no E for a couple seconds.
Tracer's gonna
Ow.
have pulse
Okay, that hurt. I have half HP if
and
anyone.
shatter from Ryan.
My shield's half. I'm gonna let it charge.
Alright, I have all
Junkrat?
again, basically.
Junkrat's got high ground. Can someone flush him out? One of our DPS?
Yeah, I just made Tracer use recall again, guys.
I have,
I have
My
ult.
shield's out. My shield's out.
I have
I'm
ult.
gonna
I
stand
have
point.
ult.
Okay.
So whenever you're
Here we
ready.
go. Let's go.
I got
Where is
a
it?
Tracer
There it
on me
is.
in the back. I can't aim that. I'm sorry if they didn't get anybody. I can't aim it.
It's close.
Tracer in the
Good
back.
enough,
She
good enough.
pulls.
It was a completely blind dragons because of Tracer.
You did good, man. You did good. Tracer's on point. Tracer's
recall.
1. No recall. No recall.
Okay, there we go.
Good picks. Good
Nice.
picks. All right.
I have
Oh
shatter.
damn. 4 Lucio. All right. I should have another ult. in
All
about
we
30 seconds
needed
for me, roughly.
was the stabilizing effect of Ducky. That's all we needed.
I'm gonna go to high ground for a second.
Okay, yeah, we should really look at the high ground. I'm coming with you.
Ah, there's the Ana.
Nice pick.
Do they have a mercy? No, they don't.
They have a
Okay,
Genji. Okay, they have a
down
Genji now.
main
Genji now. I have 113 HP. Are any of the healers around?
Alright, no, we're
They have a
falling on
Genji.
point. Sorry, that's a bad call. Back. Moira's got high ground, but she's collapsing. Moira's 1. Fuck.
Hey,
On
can you kill
Reinhardt,
Reinhardt
he's
with
dead.
your ult, Moira, please?
Nice.
She's half.
Genji is
Thank you.
one right.
I see him. Where is he now? He just.
D.Va bump, D.Va bump.
Nice.
Nice.
Good hold,
go.
boys.
Full fucking hold.
Score 0-0. Switching sides.
I felt so bad though for that grab because I literally like the tracer was on me in the back and I was like I literally cannot see this grab.
No, it's all good.
Alright. Okay.
I think we can. Yeah, this will be easy. We get 2 picks. We engage.
Oh. Okay.
I
let's
doubt they'll be rocking a Mercy in this meta, honestly.
They might go Bastion, they might go Pharmacy. So.
Also, you like
one
we're
of the
rocking
two.
season 3 meta with the 2-2-2. Alright, we got this story. If they rock a Bastion, that'll be interesting. I think I'll probably sneak around behind him and E him out of existence.
Sounds good.
But if they run a Bastion, they're definitely running a Mercy, so. What, a Rissa Bastion Mercy, roughly? Good estimate?
Guess we'll just have to group them up.
Yeah. They're gonna cancer us since, you know, it's kind of, we full held them, so they're gonna have to cancer us. Let's just hope. Okay, if one of us gets headshotted, here's what you do. You do nothing and you chill.
Okay, let's go bottom left. They have a Junkrat? Actually, they have a Junkrat. Let's not go through the narrow downstairs. Let's go take high ground.
I'm actually gonna go left because then I can.
Holy
get
shit,
a
they
lever.
lost someone. 5v6.
They have a lever. All right.
Alright, let's go take high ground and then collapse on point.
They were
Oh!
in opposition.
Right in the back.
Alright, let's get him then.
I think he's retreating.
Nah, he got back. Alright.
I got their Zen by the way, but we're so far behind them in kills, so I'm just gonna pull back.
We're split in a couple different directions here. We're gonna need to regroup.
Yeah, I'm
Dead.
waiting.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, just reset. If you're alive, die.
He's gonna have tires soon.
Yeah, he has definitely.
Ana's won by the way, but I cannot kill her.
Okay, that's fine.
That Hanzo probably has stuff.
And got the
Oh,
Hanzo.
that's a pick,
Nice,
that's a pick.
alright.
We should push if we
5v.
can.
6v4, let's go. Let's rush.
Done.
Let's go straight to point, guys. Straight to point.
You guys, okay, you guys do that. I have to flank this Junkrat though, because he's just gonna be annoying. Never mind, I got one shot. All right.
Ana down?
Junkrat on top right.
Oh,
by the way.
I don't have a fucking charge. Feels bad.
Yeah. Watch out for repair. Oh, nice.
Watch out. Use the walls cover.
Ryan. Focus on Ryan.
I'm coming back now. boys.
Nice. Big
So
kill.
nice.
Big kills.
That's GG.
Hanzo.
Yeah. Unless they get like a clutch ultimate right now.
Lucio.
Y'all are great.
Holy
Nice
shit, a
try,
win.
Lucio.
Yeah.
The Lucio tried so hard. GG.
Yeah.
Play of the game.
Oof. Oh no, not you. Never mind. Oh, he fucked me right here. Pretty bad.
Yeah, that's when we got split into like 3 different directions.
Yeah.
You went one way,
Yeah.
I went up that way, got stuck by a
Because
trap.
y'all called out the fucking
Right.
Reinhardt, so I went to go back and then.
Yeah, I think we were too far up at that point.
Yeah.
And I was too far back.
I'm gonna actually watch the SR go up because this is the first one in like literally